Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just filming this look inspired by the gorgeous Marianne from Normal People. Her name is actually Daisy in real life, which I think is really fun. But yeah, I just loved how effortlessly cute she looked throughout the show, and I just felt inspired because my hair kind of looks like hers right now, and I'm about to get it cut off in like 3 days, so I'm trying to squeeze in as many long-haired videos as I can before it's gone. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just go ahead and keep watching. I even wood glued this chair and it's still creaky, so I guess that's just gonna be part of my channel now because I love this chair. Anyways, so yeah, first thing I'm gonna do, I already have on the outfit that she wears. This is the picture that I'm going off of. To be honest, I'm pretty sure she's just wearing like light TV quote-unquote makeup. Like they probably just went in and put foundation on her and that's literally it, to make it look like she's not wearing makeup, but she is. But I'm gonna squeeze as much as I can out of this look because 99% of you said you wanted me to recreate her look. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I just woke up, so my hair looks totally crazy. So first thing I'm gonna do is just fix my bangs. I just have this little tiny spray bottle. Oh, I have to sneeze. I have the worst allergies today. I don't know what's going on. I'm really allergic to Oliver's dog, so, and I let her on the bed, so I'm assuming that was probably my mistake. So I'm just spraying my bangs to kind of make them look less crazy. I don't know why this is like so annoying to me that my bangs just automatically want to split down the middle when I don't want them to do that. So now that they're pretty much dry, I'm just going to take my straightener. And it's probably really bad for my hair, but I do like to straighten it when it's a little bit damp. I just hope that it finds like the style stay in place. And I cut my bangs, like I said, frequently, so it's not like they're gonna get super bad dead ends or anything. So that's done. I'm just gonna keep the rest of my hair super messy because it's just gonna go up in a bun. So I'm gonna stand up and do that. Here we go. Oh, Gertie's sleeping on the bed. She's an angel. Okay, so I'm just gonna flip my hair over. Flop it up on top of my head. I'm not even gonna like run my fingers through it to make it look nice. I'm just gonna get rid of like the really bad bumps, but like she has very messy hair. I'm dropping off a resume after I film this video. I can't look like too crazy. That's the whole reason I'm filming this video, is because I'm actually like 3 days from now I'm getting all of my hair chopped off and I cannot wait. So I'm just doing like a super messy bun. And then I'm just gonna pull out some hairs. Make it look nice and messy. That's pretty accurate. Okay, so there's the hair done. I'm just, yeah, that was really easy. Again, this is probably the easiest, most cop-out video I could ever do, but whatever. Okay, so now I'm just gonna tuck my hair behind my ears for the time being and get into makeup. So first things first, I have green eyes and Marianne does not. So I need to put some contacts in. I am going to be using today TTD eye contacts, and I actually have an affiliate code for them now, which is really exciting. So if you do want contacts, use my code down below. I'll also have the link in my description box, but it's 10% off. And yeah, I mean, contacts are contacts. Like, they're really good. They don't ever irritate my eyes. They're cheap. They're great, like, for Halloween and for me when I do cosplay kind of looks and recreation looks. But if you're just, like, it's just fun. Like, I've always wanted to see how I look with brown eyes, and you can do that with contacts. So, yeah, it's really fun. And I actually, quite honestly, like myself better with brown eyes, which is really funny. Everybody wants what they can't have, I guess. Anyways, I'm just gonna put these suckers in. Ooh, that feels weird. Okay. Those bad boys are in and feeling super weird. It is so foreign to me to have objects in my eyes. So I'm just gonna go in with the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint in the shade G10. Also, I have another question for you guys. My skin is so dry right now. Comment down below your favorite moisturizer. I have been using this one. I really like it, but it's like, it could do more, if that makes sense. One of my favorite ones is the Glossier, is it Future Dew? I really like that, and then I like the Overnight, like the really, I forget what it's called. It's just like a cream, but those two are my favorite, but I was looking for something that's a little bit cheaper because I go through them so fast. So comment your favorite moisturizer under $25 down below. So I just put that on with my fingers because I find that that makes it look the most natural. And now I'm just going to go in and very lightly conceal with my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm not going to do under my eyes because I feel like that's the biggest giveaway that you're wearing makeup. Gertie's terrified of that sound now because she's been biting and jumping on tables, which is really naughty, and trying to tear down the ivy that I just worked so hard to put up in my room. So every time she does something bad, I spray her with a spray bottle. And now I don't even have to spray her with it. I can just make the sound and she'll like stop doing it because she and it's really funny. Anyways, comment down below if anyone has a cat. How do you get them to stop biting you? I play with her all the time, and not with my hands. Like, I play with her with a toy. I never use my hands to play, yet she still bites them. I probably just need to get her a friend, but I can't do that right now, so. Such as that. So the next step is, I'm just going to do a really light blush. This one is Cozy Tint from Benefit. And I'm just going to pop that on my cheeks in a super tiny amount, just to make it look like I'm blushing. And I'll put a little on my lips. And my nose. And then I'm just going to take my Glossier eyebrow pen, and I'm actually going to use it as an eyeliner just on my top lash line, because I just want a little bit of definition. Like so. Now I'm just going to take some mascara, a really, really small amount, like just enough to darken my lashes. I don't even want to make it look like I'm really wearing mascara. Like so. Then I'm just going to take my Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in the lightest shade of Pillow Talk, and I'm just going to use it to very lightly define my lips. like so. And then very last step is I'm just going to take some of this chapstick Total Hydration. It's like a gloss, but not. It's a lip night serum. I love this stuff. It smells like cupcakes. It's just clear. I might curl these pieces a little bit. Voila. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, which is every Tuesday and Friday at 6, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!